Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand next sum from analysis of financial statements. Sum number 9, balance sheet of small company limited as at 31st March 2016 and 31st March 2017 are as follows. Prepare comparative balance sheet. Students, this information is given and we have to prepare comparative balance sheet of small company limited for the year ending on 31st March 2016 and 31st March 2017. Then students, we will put the information in the columns 31st March 2016 and 31st March 2017. Then we have to find increase or decrease in rupees and increase or decrease in percentage. Same way, if the value of 31st March 2017 is more than the value of 31st March 2016, then there is an increase, and if the value of 31st March 2017 is less than 31st March 2016, then there is a decrease. Then you will see in equity share capital there is an increase. 22 lakh minus 17 lakh, we will get 5 lakh. 5 lakh divided by 17 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 29.41 percentage. Then in preference share capital there is a decrease. 10 lakh minus 12 lakh, we will get minus 2 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 12 lakh multiply by 100, then we will get 16.67 percentage. Then in general reserve there is an increase. 2,40,000 minus 2 lakh, 40,000. 40,000 divided by 2 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 20 percentage. Profit loss account also shows increase. 2,10,000 minus 1,80,000, 30,000. 30,000 divided by 1,80,000 multiply by 100, we will get 16.67 percentage. Then in 10 percentage ventures there is a decrease. 6 lakh minus 8 lakh, we will get minus 2 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 8 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 25 percentage. Short term borrowings there is an increase. 90,000 minus 45,000, we will get 45,000. 45,000 divided by 45,000 multiply by 100, percentage 100. And in trade payables there is a decrease. 90,000 minus 1,35,000, we will get 45,000. 45,000 divided by 1,35,000 multiply by 100, we will get 33.33 percentage. Then other current liabilities there is no change, means dash. In total there is an increase. 45 lakh minus 43 lakh 30,000, we will get 1 lakh 70,000. 1 lakh 70,000 divided by 43 lakh 30,000 multiply by 100, we will get 3.93 percentage. Then in machines there is an increase. 16 lakh minus 15 lakh, we will get 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by 15 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 6.67 percentage. In furniture there is also increase. 1 lakh. 6 lakh minus 5 lakh, we will get 1 lakh. 1 lakh divided by 5 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 20 percentage. Then in goodwill there is a decrease. 80,000 minus 1 lakh, we will get minus 20,000. 20,000 divided by 1 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 20 percentage in minus. Then in patent there is an increase. 7,50,000 minus 7,30,000, we will get 20,000. 20,000 divided by 7,30,000 multiply by 100, then we will get 2.74 percentage. Then in non-current investments there is an increase. 9 lakh minus 8 lakh, we will get 1 lakh increase. 1 lakh divided by 8 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 12.50 percentage. Then in stock there is an increase. 1,80,000 minus 1,60,000, we will get 20,000. 20,000 divided by 1,60,000 multiply by 100, then we will get 12.50 percentage. Then in trade receivables there is decrease 1,80,000 minus 2 lakh, we will get minus 20,000. 20,000 divided by 2 lakh multiply by 100, we will get 10% in minus. Then in current investments, there is a decrease 1,40,000 minus 2,70,000, we will get minus 1,30,000. 1,30,000 divided by 2,70,000 multiply by 100, we will get 48.15%. Then in cash and cash equivalent, there is no change, means dash. Then in total, there is an increase 1,70,000, 45 lakh minus 43 lakh 30,000. Then we will find out the percentage. 1,70,000 divided by 43 lakh 30,000 multiply by 100, we will get 3.93%. Then students next sums के साथ students आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो please like, share and subscribe to support us. Thank you students.